Hello everyone, welcome back. And now we're going to work on writing compound inequalities. The IXL is going to be K13, write compound inequalities from graphs. And if you know how to graph a compound inequality, you know how to write one from a graph, kind of the same thing with that K1, K2. But we're just going to do a couple of them real quick here and get rid of this. Okay. So the first thing is I'll remind you that and looks like this. The 2 points and all the numbers in between them, like bigger than 5, smaller than 10. Okay. The other possibility is or. If or, they go away from each other. Smaller than 5 or bigger than 10. So that's what those look like. So here's your first example. Go ahead and pause it and see if you can work it. All right, so I'm assuming that you paused it, and I'm going to work with you this time. So the first thing I notice is that these go toward each other, right? These go toward each other. So that is an and. And since it's an and, I know that both of my inequalities point left. The x will go in the middle. All right? The number on the left is a 57. The number on the right is 103. Okay, so now I need to ask myself, is there or equal to on these? Well, let's look at the 57. Yeah, it's filled in, so it's an or equal to. On the 103, it is also filled in, so it's also an or equal to. So there you go. 57 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 103. You just wrote the compound inequality from the graph. Let's look at another one. All right, go ahead and pause it. Okay, did you give yourself a chance to work this one? If not, pause it and do so. All right, so let's look at this one. These go away from each other. And if they go away from each other, that's not an and, that's the other possibility, which is an or. And since it's or, I'm going to write a big or right in the middle. And then it's just like working on a K1, K2. It's just writing these two inequalities. So on this side, I see that x is, goes to the left. So I know that x is less than -3. It's also colored in. So that's x is less than or equal to -3. Now let's look at the right side. This says that x is, well, these are bigger than, so greater than 0. And now I need to check, is it an or equal to? It is, it's filled in. So it's an or equal to. So x is less than or equal to -3, or x is greater than or equal to 0. So there they are. If you have any questions, just let me know, and good luck.